Wegovy is offering hope to millions of people struggling with weight loss. If you've been looking for a way to kickstart your weight loss journey, it might be worth talking to your doctor about Wegovy. So let's dive right in and explore what Wegovy is all about. What is Wegovy? Wegovy is a prescription medication approved by the FDA for weight management. It's designed to help adults who are overweight or have obesity shed those extra pounds and improve their health. The active ingredient in Wegovy is semaglutide, which is similar to a hormone our body produces naturally to regulate blood sugar and hunger. How does Wegovy work? Wegovy works in a unique way compared to other weight loss drugs. It tricks your brain into feeling full and satisfied, reducing your appetite and food cravings. By targeting specific areas in the brain, Wegovy helps you eat less and, as a result, lose weight. It also slows down the movement of food from your stomach, helping you feel fuller for longer. Benefits of Wegovy. Effective weight loss. Studies have shown that people using Wegovy experienced significant weight loss compared to those on a placebo. 2. Improved health. Losing weight with Wegovy can lead to better management of conditions like type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. 3. Easy to use. Wegovy is available as a once-weekly injection, making it convenient for those who may have trouble remembering to take daily medications. Is Wegovy safe? As with any medication, there are potential side effects with Wegovy. The most common ones include nausea, diarrhea, and vomiting. However, most people tolerate the drug well, and the benefits often outweigh the risks. Always consult your doctor before starting any new medication, including Wegovy, to make sure it's right for you. Who can take Wegovy? Wegovy is specifically approved for adults with a body mass index, BMI, of 27 or higher, who also have at least one weight-related condition, like type 2 diabetes or high cholesterol. It may also be prescribed to those with a BMI of 30 or higher without any other weight-related conditions. Remember, Wegovy is not a magic pill. To see the best results, it should be used alongside a healthy diet and regular exercise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. See you next time.